signed up for Zoom and ready to start using it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to log in whether you are on a computer or on a phone. Let's go. Start by opening the Zoom app on a PC or mobile phone. On the welcome screen, you'll see two main buttons: Join a meeting and Sign in. Click or tap on Sign in. Now enter the email address and password that you used when you created your Zoom account. If you signed up using Google, Facebook or Apple, you can tap those icons to log in instantly. No need to remember a password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoom dashboard. From here, you can start a new meeting, schedule one, join someone else's call, or view your past meetings. And that's it. You're officially logged in and ready to roll with Zoom. Give this video a like if it helped. Hit the subscribe button for more Zoom how-tos and let me know in the comments if you want to learn how to set up your first meeting next.